Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the block unknown account messages feature on WhatsApp web so you never miss an important message again. Sometimes WhatsApp automatically blocks or filters out messages from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. This might be useful for avoiding spam, but it can also stop you from seeing messages that actually matter, especially if you use WhatsApp web for work, customer support, or business communication. Let's walk through the simple steps to turn this feature off and take full control of your messages. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can either go through the desktop app or simply visit the WhatsApp web page on your browser. Once you're in, make sure your app is connected to your phone so everything syncs up properly. Next, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of icons, chats, status, calls, and more. Find and click on the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. This is where you can customize how WhatsApp works for you. Inside the settings, click on privacy. This section contains all your privacy preferences, from last seen options to message visibility and blocked contacts. Scroll down until you find the block unknown account messages option. Now, simply turn off or disable that setting. Once you do this, WhatsApp will no longer block messages coming from unsaved or unknown numbers. That means you'll be able to receive and read all incoming chats, even from new contacts who haven't been added to your phone's address book yet. It's that easy. By disabling this setting, you keep your inbox open to every message. Just be cautious about unknown links or suspicious texts. And that's it. You've just learned how to disable the block unknown account messages option on WhatsApp web with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.